Today I am going to show you a very simple way to steam collard greens. Hello everyone, welcome to Princess Jen channel. Comment, like, subscribe. Guys, I'm steaming up some collard greens in some oil. As you can see, I have some peppers, onion, and garlic with some Szechuan with no MSG. And I'm just stirring it up a little, not too much because I do not want it to overcook. Right here, it's ready. And I'm just gonna turn off the stove. Very fast and simple. Can't make it overcooked. This is what the collard greens look like after it's cooked. See, it's not too soft. Still firm. That's just very fast. Just stir it up a little quickly and just turn off the stove and remove it from the hot pot and transfer it to a bowl or whatever you want to keep it in. That's as simple as that. Collard greens. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.